You be crazy. Please don't
Okay.
do that. Please don't do that. Please.
No.
Please don't make me laugh.
You see, he's very happy, you guys. He's not mad. He's happy. He's a good guy. Look at him. He's laughing. Look, he's smiling. Look.
Actually, guys, he's crying. He's not laughing. He can't walk because Moses injured him.
He loves me. Look, he's a good guy.
Okay.
Come on.
Please don't do that, my friend.
See,
Moses.
he's smiling, you guys. He's
Moses
not
is
angry.
committing sexual harassment right now.
Hey!
As you can see, he's refusing to be touched, and Moses keeps touching him. Stop abusing people.
The guy he's clearly smiling behind the mask. That means he's happy. He comes here for parts, part deliveries.
There's no proof of that. He's wearing a mask. You can't see through it. He's crying.
He's not crying. He's very happy he's here. He loves coming here. He loves coming here to see us.
Complaining to us about him right now.
He's a big fan of us. You guys, look, it's all a joke behind that. Look. Mano's telling him to say stuff so he can come and do things, you see? He's telling him to do things. Hey, stop saying stuff.
I'll give you a little more if you say that. I'll give you a little more if you say that, please. I'll give you $100 more.
Mano's bribing him to say stuff. False things. You guys see what's happening right there? He's literally telling him to say bad things to make me look bad. The guy doesn't want to do it. He's being forced to do it.
His family is very upset. See, look how far he's standing away from you. He's running away from you. Ah, Moses. Alright guys, we are standing in front of this beautiful Range Rover SVA. This is the special Range Rover. It's not the long wheelbase, it's the regular wheelbase, but it's SVA, so it's the super sport luxury version. This is about $200,000 right here in a Range Rover. Very special matte pearl white special paint from Range Rover. This is super rare and super tough to get. Beautiful color. Everything else is stock on it, really. The only thing we did on this is paint the lower trims. All the lower trims on SUVs usually come in black plastic, you know, like the Cullinans that we do all the time. Same with the Range Rover. A lot of black plastic underneath this car, under the side skirts, the front, the rear. We took them all off, properly paint matched to this very special color, which you can't even really get the formula for. We color matched it. It's perfect. It's like 100% color match. Even the clear coat, which is like a satin, is properly matched. You cannot even tell. It looks like it came from factory. I'm sure you guys will probably think this is how it looks stock, but it does not. Stock, it kind of looks weak because of the black underneath. Makes the car look shorter. This makes it look like it's got a body kit on there. Really amazing look. Stock wheels, lowered height, looks amazing. The rear has a huge difference now with the wide all underneath it. It's all usually black. So Range Rovers, when you want to go crazy on them, no wheels on this. You just do the painted lower trims and it looks night and day different. So super happy to show you guys what a regular Range Rover can look like. I know you guys are used to seeing Cullinans and all that stuff, but you guys know I've been a big Range Rover fan all my life. So this is a top of the line Range Rover. Interior is red, super nice interior as well. So there you go, nicely done $200,000 Range Rover. Regular sunroof. This is all special to the SVA. As you can see, this is SV autobiography. This knob is really cool, aluminum. Even this thing, aluminum. So they added a few little special touches here and there, of course, but other than that, Range Rover. That's a lot of motors and electronics for an armrest that opens up the cup holders. Let me close it. The seats recline pretty good too. So you could recline the seats a little bit too. Nice. Headrest. It has lumbar support. Oh, the seat goes up and down. So it's got, even though it's a short wheelbase, you can still play with the back seats, make it a little more comfortable. I guess that's what you get with a $200,000 Range Rover.
He has angerment issues. He's telling me to shut the f up.
Don't you guys see all three of them are on some kind of a thing to...
Oh yeah, but anger issues.
They're trying to make the best look bad. That's what they do. It's normal. It's like a thing.
Bro, you just cussed me out. You're gonna give me a gum?
I offered him a gum, he didn't take it.
You just cussed me out and you're gonna give me a gum? That's
Okay, back to work.
Hi guys.
How are you?
How are you?
Good, good.
Can I help you?
I
Yes.
just watch all the videos online.
Thank you,
man.
brother. I appreciate it.
Just came in to come check
How
it
can I
out.
help you guys?
I just came to check you guys out.
Sure,
Just kinda
no problem.
see, look around.
Just let me know if anything I can help you.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
So polite.
All right, guys, we are in the all peach Cullinan. We haven't done this wrap color before. It's pretty unique. It's between pink and orange, I guess. So it's supposed to be peach color. It's pretty cool on a big car like a Cullinan. Any color you do that's like a colorful color is really gonna look crazy. You guys saw us post Jeffree Star's pink Cullinan, which was painted from factory at Goodwood. This is actually a white Cullinan that we did satin white a while back. Actually, sorry, this Cullinan is gray. I keep forgetting because this is one of the first Cullinans we did. It was gray. Customer wanted to do full satin white with white 26-inch wheels. If you guys remember, this one was the one that we did one of the first sets of 26s, and it was all white. Really crazy look, just like the all white Wraiths that we started. This is the Cullinan version of that, and it was big. He drove it around for a while, maybe like a year, and now he wanted to change it up. Yes, he chose his peach color. This customer also did a rose gold Bugatti with us, so you know he likes to have fun. He's an older gentleman, and he just likes to have fun with it. This interior is white, so it's peach with a white interior. Pretty crazy. Right now we have actually other wheels on it. We have other 24-inch RDB wheels on it. They're temporary that we had sitting around because his 26s are still out getting powder coated. They had a lot of stress on them, so we're getting all that white paint off and doing it the right way, so it's taking some time. So his wheels are coming. We're gonna refilm it a little bit with the 26s because I think with the 26s it's gonna look even crazier. We did matching peach center caps that didn't fit on this, so we're gonna show you guys with those custom matching peach RR caps on there. But if you check out the emblems on this car, we also painted them black with peach. That's paint. We color matched the wrap, which we've been doing for a long time. We color matched it in-house, and we painted the emblems two-tone. You got to give it that detail. The detail is what sets it apart. But yeah, subjective. We're gonna get a lot of people talking about the peach color being nasty, worst spec, all that kind of stuff. But again, on the Cullinans, it's fun. We've done every color of Cullinan almost so far, so pretty cool to see this color. It's a very unique color. I think this would look really sick on an exotic car. You guys comment below, let us know what exotic car you guys would like to see this peach color in. I think it would look insane on, you know, like a Aventador. I don't know about Ferraris, maybe a Urus, a wide body Urus. I don't know. The peach is really cool. Super happy with it. Let us know your thoughts.
Relax. Say what's up.
No.
No.
Stay here.
What's up?
Now you can stay.
Hello, guys. Can I help you?
Oh, we're just merchandise.
Sure. You guys want to take a picture with Moses? He's the famous person.
I see you guys on YouTube, so I don't.
Okay. Moses, there's people that want to take a picture with you. Look, there's a customer inside, and they're gonna make noises. That's Moses. Moses is going to make noises. This is how we reach our customers. And this is Moses.
Ah, new pants! What the? No more rip? No more rip. It's good. Wow. Hey. We are buying from Sarkis.